I just figured I'd make this video in case anyone needed to know or was curious how it went. If you bought an X2D AMS combo and you had a second AMS that you were going to be using and you purchased the filament track switch, I figured I'd let this show you exactly how it connects. Of course, the yellow parts are 3D printed. You got your AMS to your filament track switch, your AMS to your buffer, then your second AMS to the filament track switch, and all the yellow obviously is 3D printed. And then I have a bracket for this one, just didn't put it in there yet. Bracket for the AMS first gen.